Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about my patterns. And I've had a couple inquiries regarding not having a list of hardware. And I actually do have a list. I have a video dedicated to Firefighter hardware and where to find it. And in the description of that video, you have direct links to the vendors. But to avoid any more confusion, what I did on the website is I added that specific video on the actual website. So if you go to soulfieldleather.com and you look up any pattern, specifically the Firefighter leather patterns, you'll notice if you scroll to the bottom of that page, that product page, you have really, really great resources that's gonna help you build this product. And one is the actual build-along video. And underneath that, I just added the Firefighter hardware list video. And underneath that, I have a how to use my patterns demo video. There's also a button that you could download a demo pattern for free. You don't have to plug in your credit card information, nothing. You just hit the button and it'll give you a demo download pattern, which you can follow along with the blueprint. This will allow you to demo the features of my patterns, which are not to scale. They're more like a blueprint because you can't really print a 60-inch, 40-inch strap. These are strap goods. So essentially, my patterns are blueprints, and they're pretty easy to put together, as you can see. In fact, you can actually watch how to put the pattern together before you even purchase a pattern. But all this to say is that I made things a little bit easier for you guys. If you go to my website, just make sure you scroll to the bottom of the product page to check out those additional resources. All right, so that's all I have for you for this video. I'm really eager and excited to get back in the shop. Hopefully, I'll make some more videos. Journaling some of that. All right. Thank you guys very much. Have a good day. God bless you. Bye.